I used to have a domain name called 5 stars for Alan. 5 stars for Alan. You can have 5 stars for Erica, 5 stars for Sarah, 5 stars for Vanity. That domain name is forwarding to the link tree that has links to Zillow, to Yelp, to Google, to Facebook. And you send them a quick blurb. Hey, John and Judy, I appreciate again your business. Thank you so much. It was great working with you. Can you do me a huge favor? When you have a second, can you please rank me on these sites? Send them a quick gift card, $5 gift card or $10 gift card to like Starbucks or something like that in exchange. But it's another form of validation when you're sending this email to the sellers, especially the ones that don't know you.